These are the first brush that I had. These are actually 5-piece set of Nichito brushes, but the two brushes are already broken, so I already threw it away. These are goat hair brushes, so it's very, very good. It's very, very smooth. This is the medium-sized brush, the eyeshadow brush, and a lip brush. Then the second set that I have is this brush. It's a 4-piece brush that I bought at Quiapo. It's only for I think 70 pesos. It has this kind of brush. I actually use this as a foundation brush. Then this is an angled brush, another angled brush, a lip brush, and this is small brush. I use this as a concealer brush. Second set. And then these brushes, I bought them individually. I bought this from Everbelena. This is an eyeshadow brush for, I guess, 40 pesos. Then this brush is, I think I had a set of brush before, from Sansan, but this is the last brush that was left. Then this is actually a paintbrush that I bought at National Bookstore. But before, I was looking for a blending brush, and I can't see any blending brush available, so I just bought this paintbrush. And then the other set that I have is this 7-piece small brush set that I bought at Quiapo for 100 pesos. It has like the Nichido, same size as Nichido, this medium-sized blush or a blush brush. It has this type of brush, small eyeshadow brush, like it's really, really stiff. And this angled brush, but I really don't like this angled brush because it's too thick. I like the ones that is thin, so it's thick for me. I don't like that one. A lip brush, not the eyeliner brush. And it has a eyeliner brush. As you can see, it's really thin. It's really good. Sponge tip applicator brush and the eyebrow brush, eyebrow comb brush. This 7-piece brush, bought it for only 100 pesos. It's very, very cheap. So I really like it so much because they're all soft. And the sales lady told me that these items are from Korea, not from China. Then the final set that I'm going to show you is this set of brushes that I also bought. I bought this at the same store. This set of brush and this set of brush I bought this at the same store. So these brushes, a 12-piece brush. It's very, very cheap. I bought it at 200 pesos. It contains of a powder brush. It looks like this. The bristles are very, very soft. I really, really like it. All the big brushes comes with a brush cover like this. Then the next one is this blush brush. It's really soft. Then what's next is it has like this 3 brushes. I use this one as I bought this brush. This brush is a blending brush. This one is a blending brush. This one is another blending brush. Then, actually, you can use this one as an eyeshadow brush. But I use them both as a blending brush. Then I use this as an eyeshadow brush. It's flat, stiffer. Then it has a fan brush. Soft, also soft. Also has a brush cover. This is the lip brush. I have used this already. Actually, except for these three, I already used all of the brushes. This lip brush is also very, very good. And this is the angled brush. What I like about this brush is that it's really, really thin. So it's good for applying the gel liners. It's very, very thin. I don't know if you could see how thin it is, but it's really, really thin. It's very, very, very stiff. And I have this eyeliner brush. I've used this so many times already. Then sponge tip applicator brush, spoolie, the eyebrow comb brush, and this one is from my Dollface 78 color palette. So for all the brush that I have, this 12 set is my favorite. So it comes in this package. You can see, guys. And folds into 4. So this is, I guess, the best brush set that I have.